A thickening conditioner, lovely Helmsley root rich in oleanolic acid, nourishes and restores for thicker, stronger hair, helps to reduce DHT, helps to prevent hair loss, sulfate-free, paraben-free. The package length of the product is 9.0 inches. The package width of the product is 6.0 inches. The package height of the product is 3.0 inches. Nourishing to hair follicles, thickening, adds softness and shine, stimulates blood circulation in the scalp, exfoliating, growth accelerator, maintains integrity of hair's health, helps to reduce DHT, helps to prevent hair loss, sulfate-free, paraben-free. Directions. Wash. Wash. Rinse. Repeat. Apply to wet hair and massage gently through the hair and scalp. Rinse. Follow with plumping. Rinse. Can be used daily and as part of our thickening regimen. Rinse. Apply. Absorb. Rinse. Apply to freshly washed hair and allow the hair to absorb the benefits for 1 to 2 minutes, follow with a refreshing rinse. Can be used daily and as part of our thickening regimen. For optimal plumping results, use after washing with plumping. Wash and finish with BODY.MASS. Top reviews from the United States. Just amazing. This is by far the best hair care I've ever used. My stylist uses it and I just had to have some. I'm a user of Kevin Murphy for life now. I have a couple other products and they are all amazing.